Welcome, today in front of my Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So to do that, you can make it by two ways. The first one, you just should open the notification bar, and here you'll see the screen recorder icon. Just to launch the screen recorder settings, hold for a while the icon, and here you'll see the screen recorder section. Just to change the sound settings, tap once here and you can switch. Now we got here the media sounds. We can switch it to the just to record, to don't record some sounds, or also we can switch it here to record the media sounds and to use the microphone, for example, if you want us to comment something on your screen recording, or also we can go back to the media sounds. So that's how it looks. And also I just didn't show you the second way. The second way is you should go to the settings application and scroll to the advanced features. Here you will see the screenshots and screen recorder section. Go there, and here you will see the screen recorder settings, sound settings, and by the same way you can just change the settings of sounds that you like. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.